Storyteller, Episode 11. Ismat Chughtai Lihaaf. Opening. In an old Lucknow Haveli, behind heavy velvet curtains and closed doors, a young girl witnesses something she cannot understand. A shadow. A movement. A secret hidden beneath a quilt. This is Ismat Chughtai's daring, unforgettable story, Lihaaf, a tale that shook the literary world. Introducing Ismat Chughtai. Ismat Chughtai, one of the fiercest voices in Urdu literature, wrote with boldness far ahead of her time. Her stories challenged patriarchy, class, and the silence around women's desires. Lihaaf became famous and infamous after it sparked an obscenity trial in 1945. But today, it stands as a classic of feminist literature. Setting: the Haveli and the child narrator. The story is narrated by a young girl who is sent to stay at the home of Begum Jan, a beautiful, lonely woman married to a wealthy Nawab. The child's innocence gives the story its charm and its unsettling power. Begum Jan's loneliness. Begum Jan lives a life of luxury, silks, jewels, servants, yet she is starved of affection. Her husband, the Nawab, is respectable, generous, religious, but he shows no interest in his wife. He spends his nights with young men, leaving Begum Jan abandoned in her own home. Loneliness wraps around her like a suffocating quilt. Enter Rabbu the maid. Rabbu, Begum Jan's maid, becomes her constant companion, her caretaker, her comforter, her shadow. Their relationship is intense, but the child narrator, in her innocence, cannot name what she sees. The quilt, a symbol of mystery. At night, the child sleeps in Begum Jan's room. And that is when she notices the quilt moving. It rises and falls in strange shapes. Shadows dance across the walls. Sometimes, she hears soft laughter, sometimes, muffled whispers. She pulls her own blanket tight, terrified of the ghost. Under the quilt. The child's confusion. The beauty of Chughtai's storytelling lies in the child's innocence. She describes what she sees, but cannot interpret it. What adults would understand as an intimate moment, the child believes to be supernatural. Rabbu leaves, Begum Jan falls apart. One day, Rabbu leaves to visit her village. And without her, Begum Jan breaks down. She cannot eat. She cannot sleep. She shakes, cries, screams at servants. The child wonders, is Rabbu some kind of magician? Or is Begum Jan possessed? The night of revelation. One night, the girl wakes to see Begum Jan's quilt stirring wildly, as if someone is struggling underneath. She hears gasps, and a sound like someone drinking the very life from another. When she screams in fear, Begum Jan lifts the quilt, and the child sees her face glowing. Rabbu's arms wrapped tightly around her. The aftermath: innocence meets silence. The next morning, everything looks normal. The quilt is neatly folded. Begum Jan smiles. Rabbu massages her back as usual. No one explains anything. No one ever will. The child grows up never forgetting that night and the secret hidden under the quilt. Themes and interpretation. Silence around women's desires. Chughtai boldly revealed that women, too, long for intimacy and companionship, a truth society tried to hide. Rebellion against patriarchy. Begum Jan's husband ignores her. Rabbu fills the emotional and physical void, challenging the norms of her time. Childhood innocence versus adult realities. The gap between what the child sees and what the reader understands creates powerful meaning. Symbolism of the quilt, Lihaaf. The quilt becomes a metaphor for secrecy, repression, hidden desires, and the warmth of forbidden love. Closing reflection. Lihaaf. remains a landmark of feminist literature, not because it shocks but because it listens to the silent pain of women who were never allowed to speak. If you like the video, please click on the like, subscribe and share buttons. Hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.